Hello and welcome. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about trigger in SQL. A trigger is a special type of stored procedure which runs automatically whenever an event occurs in the database server. DML trigger runs when a user tries to modify data through DML, that is data manipulation language event. DML event consists of insert, update, or delete statement. Let us create one simple trigger and see how it works. So let me share my screen with all of you. So here is my Oracle Live screen, and the table which I already created, students table. So let me show you what data is there. So I'm running the query called select star from students to check it that what data are available in it. So I selected the statement and I'm running it. And you can see that we have got some 19 records in this data, where you will see some of the records came multiple times and then another records we are having. So we have got registration number, student's name, batch, specialization, course, and age. I'm going to create one simple trigger to show you that how it works. So let me write the syntax. So in order to create a trigger, the syntax goes something like this: create or replace trigger. Then we have to give trigger name. So this trigger is going on students table. So I'm giving it as a name, student std trig, so that I will be able to understand that this trigger is on the student table. Then I want to execute it before update. So I am writing before update on table name. So which table? I'm going to put it on the students table. Okay. Now, the moment I will do any update in this table, I'm expecting this trigger to run automatically. Fine. So now next we have to write begin. You can write in caps or you can write in a small, means any case that is going to work. I'm not doing any operation right now. I just want to show you that the moment we will do any updation on this table, this trigger is going to get executed. So for that, what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to give one message to show you that how this trigger is going to work. So I'm writing begin. Then I'm just going to put one message, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. This statement will print anything which you want to get printed. So within single quotes, I'm writing record got updated. Fine. And then semicolon, and after begin we have to write end and semicolon. So this trigger syntax has been completed. We have created this trigger. Now let me execute this line. So when I will execute, it will tell that trigger has been created. You can see here the message is coming that trigger has been created, but the trigger will not run right now. So what is special about the trigger? The trigger will run when you will run any update statement. So it is running implicitly, it is running automatically whenever we run the DML command. So right now, since we created on update, so let me run one update command on the students table. So I'm writing to update the table, update students, set S name. So S name was there in the table. If you want to check that what field names are there, let me run select star from students to check the field name. So I'm running this. I selected it. So you can see S name is there. Okay. So right now the name, so many places, same record, Rupesh, it's coming multiple times. So I'm going to change this name. So set name equal to, I'm putting RK Sinha. RK Sinha, where S name, it is not case sensitive, so you can write in caps or small, that is going to work. Rupesh. Fine. So this statement is done. Now, how many places this Rupesh name is there? Can you check it? I'm going to count it. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 places this name is there. So when I'm going to run this, update statement, I'm expecting that my trigger is going to get executed automatically. Let us see what is going to happen when we will do this one. So I'm going to run this statement, and what I told here, record got updated. I wrote here what record got updated. Let us see what is going to happen. I'm going to run this command, update students, set name equal to RK Sinha, where name equal to Rupesh, and Rupesh is there 11 times. I'm running this, and can you see it? What is coming? 11 rows updated, records got updated, the record got updated. 2 times it's coming. The reason is I created one more uh, trigger earlier. So that trigger is also running, and from here record got updated. So this one is coming from my trigger, and the another trigger is already there. So you can see that the moment I run this, my trigger is running fine. And then right now just we have printed one statement, but whatever different operations we want to do, that we can do through trigger, that I will show you in my coming video. So what different things we can do by trigger? We can generate value for primary key automatically using trigger. We can implement complex business rule using trigger. We can go for auditing purpose. We can create replica of master database, and we can go for validation of the data. So there are so many things which we can do using trigger. Fine. So in the next video, I'm going to show you more operations which we can do using trigger, and how to use Oracle Live. So that also, if you'd like to know that how to use Oracle Live, for this you don't need to install anything. Just let me know in the comment section, and I will tell you how you can run your SQL command without installing anything. I'm ending my video here, and we are going to meet in the next video very soon on the SQL server. So bye bye, take care, and happy learning.